Today we're going to make some miniature felt radishes for our Peter Rabbit playset. We're going to start with some purpley red felt balls and some off-white wool roving. I'm going to use a felting needle to attach that wool roving to the wool balls. And you want this white to go about halfway up the ball, and we're going to leave the end a little bit loose so that we can make kind of the root sticking out. You can see I've got a teacup over there that's full of warm soapy water, and I can get my fingers wet just a little bit and use that to felt the wool roving into that root. You can also get the ball a little bit wet and use that to manipulate it into kind of a flatter shape instead of that super round shape that it started as. Next, we're going to cut out some leaves out of wool felt. I'm doing 2 leaves. Here I'm using 2 different colors of green. You can obviously just do 1 color if that's what you've got. And then we'll take that radish that we were working on and make a little bit of a hole. I just stick it in there. Stick my scissors in there to make a little bit of a hole. Careful with your fingers, of course. And you just want it to be big enough just to be able to stick those leaves inside. Once it's big enough, you'll put in a little bit of hot glue. Stick your leaves in, and I like to use a chopstick just to stick them in there really well. And then I'll top it off with just a tiny bit of hot glue. You don't want a lot because you don't want it to squeeze out. You'll secure that shut so that the leaves are on there, and there is your little miniature radish.